How to fix Battlegrounds server not connecting issue on Windows 10. Here are some methods that may help fix the Battlegrounds server not connecting issue on Windows 10 PC. 1. Check Battlegrounds official community channels on any news or notices about server maintenances at https://twitter.com/pubattlegrounds. 2. Improve network settings. Two point one. For router players, try updating the firmware to the latest version. Moreover, perform the DMZ setting. FYI, a DMZ, demilitarized zone, on a home router refers to a DMZ host. Strictly speaking, this is not a true DMZ. A home router DMZ host is a host on the internal network that has all UDP and TCP ports open and exposed, except those ports otherwise forwarded. They are often used as simple method to forward all ports to another firewall/NAT device. Reference: https://www.tp-link.com/support/FAQ/28. And, try updating the LAN card driver as well. 2.2. Restore Windows Defender firewall to its default values. 2.3 Make sure that your Battlegrounds game is set as an exception on the antivirus exception list. 2.4. Make sure that your PC is malware-free. To do so, run the recommended Avast Internet Security in this video guide.